Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought a microphone mono au-04 for my voiceover microphone, and I'll be using this microphone for my channel as well as for my gaming channel. So let's unbox this. I bought this microphone from the Amazon, so let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, so I already opened the plastic and it looked like this. The package was good, nice package. Podcasting microphone kit au-a04. Okay, this is the brand name. What we got, let's check out. I think this is a user manual and the card. I think my card, and I can see the pop filter. This is amazing. Yeah, nice pop filter. And in the second layer I got a lot of stuff. I think this is the stain for the holder, and I got a table holder with it wrap up something, and this is the USB which will connect to the microphone, and this is the stain. And finally we got the mic here. I think this is so heavy. Hello check, check. Guys, we have already installed the mic in my computer, and right now I'm talking from this microphone, and the sound quality is much better than the headphone microphone or any kind of microphone. And this is good for the voiceover video creator and for a YouTuber, and whoever sing a song, you can use it for this microphone. And if you guys want to buy this microphone, check out in the description below. I will put the link over there. You can buy on the Amazon. And thank you so much for watching, and if you do have any question, please comment below. And what do you think of this microphone? Please comment below, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Take care.